Now let me show you how to change the blades and the accessories. So I've got my stylus over here. This is the scoring stylus. And all you gotta do to add the stylus over here is open up the clamp and then insert the stylus. And do you see this little arrow over here? So you should hold the stylus so that the arrow is facing towards you. Insert the stylus inside, push it so that the arrow gets hidden. Now just close the clamp and you're ready to go. Next, let's have a look at how to change the blade. The procedure is similar. First, you gotta open up the clamp. It's a bit tight, so be careful. And just take out the blade. Next, take whatever blade you wanna work with and place it inside. And if you're using the scoring wheel or the rotary blade like this one, make sure the wedges on this wheel fit in with the wedges on the wheel inside. So this means it's perfectly placed. It shouldn't move. Close off the clamp and you're ready to work. If you want to change it, you gotta do the same thing. Open up the clamp, take out the blade, place the fine point blade back in its place and close the clamp. So that's how you change the